Clogged pores timeline from clean skin to blackheads. Deep pore cleaning transformation. Your skin doesn't wake up one day with blackheads. It starts clean, soft, smooth, balanced, but slowly. Something changes, day by day. Layer by layer, your pores begin to fill. In today's video, we are not just cleaning skin, we are going back in time to understand how blackheads are formed and how to reverse them completely. Stage 1, Clean Skin, Day 1. At the beginning, the pores are clear, oil flows naturally, keeping the skin hydrated, everything is balanced. There are no visible blackheads, no rough texture. Just smooth skin, but this stage is temporary, if the skin is not maintained. Stage 2, Oil Buildup, Day 3 to 5. Now the skin starts producing more oil. This is normal. But when this oil is not properly cleaned, it begins to settle inside the pores. At this stage, you won't see blackheads yet, but the process has already started. Stage 3, Pore Blockage, Day 7 to 10. Oil mixes with dirt and dead skin cells. This creates a thick layer inside the pore. The pore becomes blocked. Now the skin starts to lose its smooth texture. Still, the blackhead is not fully visible. Stage 4, Blackhead Formation, Day 10 to 14. Now the clogged pore reaches the surface. The trapped material reacts with air and turns dark. This is when a blackhead becomes visible. What started as a small buildup is now a noticeable skin concern. Reversing the process, main treatment. Now we begin the transformation. Instead of letting the process continue, we reverse it step by step. Step 1, Deep Cleansing Reset. We start by removing surface oil and dirt. This clears the outer layer and prepares the skin. Step 2, Steam Activation. Steam opens the pores and softens the blockage. This is where the skin becomes ready for extraction. Step 3, Extraction, Reversal Moment. Now we remove the blockage. Each blackhead is extracted carefully. This step reverses days, even weeks, of buildup. You are literally watching time go backwards on the skin. Step 4, Skin Recovery. After extraction, the skin is calmed and hydrated. This prevents future clogging and restores balance. Final transformation. Now look at the skin. From clogged to clean, from rough to smooth, from buildup to balance. This is what happens when you understand the timeline and treat your skin the right way. If you found this transformation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and skincare education, stay connected.